Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off keyboard light on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is open your MacBook and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Now let's see what we else have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the Finder, File, Edit and View options. And we also have the Go, Window and Help options. In the top right corner, we have the date, Wi-Fi and the battery, and in the bottom of the screen, we have all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you use the most. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn on or off keyboard light on a MacBook. So, first of all, on most MacBook models, you can control the keyboard backlight, using one of the keyboard using the function keys. So press the F6 key with the sun icon to increase the brightness of your keyboard. And then press F5 with the dimmed sun icon to decrease the brightness of the keyboard backlight. If you keep pressing it, the light will of course eventually turn off completely. You can also go to the system preferences by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner. So here in the system settings, and here you can go to the keyboard and use the keyboard brightness slider to adjust the backlight. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.